Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your work is safe. Commit or git stash any unfinished changes. Once done, fetch the remote with git fetch origin and switch to the branch you want to update. Now begin the integration step. Run git merge source branch or git rebase source branch depending on your workflow. This triggers conflict markers where changes overlap. Don't panic. You're now positioned to inspect files, because resolving requires editing the actual contested files directly. Next, open each file that shows conflict markers and read both sides calmly. The top section is your branch and the bottom is incoming. Decide whether to keep one change, merge both into a coherent result, or rewrite the hunk entirely. Use your editor or a diff tool for clarity. After editing, remove the markers, then git add the file. If you were rebasing, run git rebase continue. If merging, run git commit. This finalizes that file's resolution, so you can move on. Finally, verify everything. Run git status to ensure no unresolved files remain, and inspect git log to confirm the history is as expected. Then push your resolved branch with git push origin target branch, or complete the pull request on GitHub. If you encounter problems like a broken build or accidental edits, stop and recover. Git reflog helps find previous states, and git merge abort or git rebase abort will revert the in-progress operation. Make sure tests pass before marking the task done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.